Hello everyone, this is Bhagyendra Nikota and welcome back to Grammar Series YouTube channel. This is an application class. We will discuss about some previous year examination bits and how to crack and how to spot errors in the sentence and what are the rules and regulations and when and where the aspirants commit mistakes in examinations when dealing with English grammar. So I will discuss about some bits one by one. So let's go to the first bit. First bit. It is my friend's Sharat's car. It is my friend's Sharat's car. What is the mistake? What is the error in the sentence? Find out if you can. See, when two nouns are in opposition, S is added to the second noun. Here the two nouns are friend and Sharat's. Friend and Sharat. When two nouns are in opposition, S is added to the second noun. So what is the answer here? It is my friend Sharat's car. Okay? Clear? Second one. There are 20 females in the class. There are 20 females in the class. Find out error in the sentence. Okay. See, male and female are adjectives but not nouns. So we can say there are 20 women in the class. Don't say there are 20 female or there are 20 males in the class. Why? Because male, female are adjectives. So we always use women, men instead. Okay? Clear? So this is a mistake in the sentence is females. So what is the answer? There are 20 women in the class. Okay? Third one. That book is yours, not mine. That book is yours, not mine. What is the error in the sentence? See, do not add yes to the pronoun. You just say that book is yours, not mine. Don't put apostrophe. Okay? These three bits are from previous year examination. Okay? Clear? Going to the another bit. The boy goes to college by walk. This is also an examination bit. You can say by bus, by train, by air also. But do not say by walk. Instead we can say on foot. So the correct answer is on foot. Don't say by walk. Clear? Next bit. When she will solve our problem. This is also previous year examination. When she will solve our problem. Find out error in the sentence. When she will solve our problem. See, in interrogative sentences, the verb must be placed before the subject. Which means what is the correct answer? When will she solve our problem? Do not say when she will solve our problem. That is mistake. The correct answer is when will she solve our problem? This is also an examination bit. In interrogative sentences, verb is placed before the subject, not after the subject. Okay? Clear? Excuse me. Next bit. The secretary and the correspondent is in the office. The secretary and the correspondent is in the office. This is a very, very important bit. The secretary and the correspondent is in the office. Find out the error in the sentence. Okay. See, when the two nouns refers to the different persons, use article the to the nouns, before nouns. Of course, we have used article the to secretary and correspondence. Then what is the mistake in the sentence? when two nouns are referring to different persons, article the is used before those nouns. We use the secretary and the correspondence. So then what is the error? See carefully. We use singular verb is. Do not use singular verb is when there are two persons. So we use are. The correct answer is the secretary and the correspondent are in the office. So the mistake here is. Okay? Next bit. Okay, what if the two nouns refer to the same person? If the two nouns refer to the same person, article the is used before the first noun only. Do not place article the to the second noun. Clear? Okay. Next bit. We received no informations. We received no informations. Find out the error in the sentence. Here the mistake is informations. There are some nouns which are always used in singular forms. They do not have any plural forms. Example, information, alphabet, luggage, furniture, news, poetry. So these are some nouns. They have only singular form. They do not have any plural forms. Okay, clear? So the correct answer is we have no information. Right? Next one. Mathematics are his favorite subject. Mathematics are his favorite subject. There are some nouns which are always used in a singular form. There seems to be plural form, but they are always used in a singular form. However, there are some exceptions. Right? So the correct answer here is mathematics is his favorite subject. Clear? Next bit. My friend bought a shoe yesterday. My friend bought shoe yesterday. We have discussed it in previous classes. And these bits are all the previous year examination. Very, very important bits. My friend bought shoe yesterday. What is the error? Yeah, shoe. There are some nouns which are always used in plural forms. They do not have any singular forms. For example, pants, shoes, trousers, pyjamas, spectacles, etc. So the mistake here is, and the error is shoe. The correct answer is my friend bought shoes yesterday. Clear? Next one. Vibhasri bought 5 dozens oranges. Vibhasri bought 5 dozens oranges. See, dozens, hundreds, thousands, score, these are all unit of measurements. We do not pluralize units of measurement when preceded by a numeral. Okay? So the error in the sentence is dozens. We just say Vibhasri bought 5 dozen oranges. Clear? We have discussed it in previous class. Then those classes are in the description box. Next bit. Jyoti is my cousin sister. Jyoti is my cousin sister. What is the error? Just simply say Jyoti is my cousin. Do not add brother, sister to cousin. So the error in the sentence is sister. So the correct answer is Jyoti is my cousin. That's it. Okay? Clear? Next one. Gopal is running 16. Gopal is running 16. Running, the word running, do not use with age. Okay? So these are some important bits. Hope you understood well. These are all previous year examination important bits. I hope you understood well. Thank you very much.